What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Ninja, and the title of the video is Chicago Goon Thinks He Can Shoplift Without Consequences. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
On September 7th, 2023, officers located a shoplifter who stole multiple electronic items from Target.
It's always Target or Walmart.
Hi, someone just get on your bus with a big blue bag?
Yes.
Okay.
Blue bag. Yeah, I'm white t-shirt.
What's going on, boss?
What's up? Oh, you ain't no ID. You have ID. You got ID. What's going on?
Where's your big bag at?
I don't have no bag.
You don't have a bag?
That's not that bag back there. That ain't man.
That's not yours? Okay.
What kind of bag?
Stand up.
Yeah, he breathing heavy. You can see it in his chest. He know he done. he know he done, boy. Look at that. And then the bus ain't crowded or nothing. They ran down on you on the bus. Oh, that's crazy.
I'm gonna cuff?
Yep.
For what?
Investigation. Turn around. Stop. Econ 416, we're fighting with one. Stop!
What was I stealing? What was I stealing, gang? Sir, can you tell me what I was stealing?
We're not doing this. Alright, extra charges, let's go. Stop resisting!
I'm not trying behind your back.
Stop resisting! Give me your arm! Give me your arm! Right now! Give me your arm!
Grab my phone! Sir!
Give me your arm!
He just grabbed my phone! Hands, I got a hand right here.
Yo, the guy in the passenger seat, he funny. He funny. For real. Because he did just grab the phone. And it's like, he probably would have got away with it, but the other officer just came on there in the nick of time, and he probably seen it. You know what I'm saying? Because we see that on camera. Let me run it back real quick. That's so funny. This guy is hilarious.
Alright, extra charges, let's go. Stop resisting!
I'm not trying behind your back.
Stop resisting! Give me your arm! Give me your arm! Right now! Give me your arm!
Grab my phone! Sir!
Give me your arm!
He just grabbed my phone! Hands, I got a hand right here. Put the other hand back. Put the other hand back. So he just grabbed my phone. Almost. Let go of the hand. Alright. So he just grabbed my phone? He just grabbed my phone, sir. Sir, can you get my phone?
Your phone back.
Who have my phone? This is your phone.
Where's the bag at?
What bag?
Back there. Sit down.
Double lock those cuffs. Who's got here too?
I don't know who bag that fucking is. Alright. Is that my shit?
Alright, check video.
Zan bars. Alright, let's get him up. Turn around. Are you gonna be alright to walk to your car?
Yes.
Okay.
I got it. Y'all got my phone, right? Yeah, I got your phone? Where's my camera, girl? You're missing your camera tonight.
Help him. Hold out. Yes. I'll get all your information. You go make sure they're taking. He's in the car.
Oh, that's weird on him. Oh my God.
Yeah.
He was running at top speed to get on my bus, and when I pulled over at the stop, he jumped on with the bus and he took his card out of his phone case.
First he started yelling at the lady, and then at McDonald's, then, but I didn't know what he had in his bag.
You said you took a card out of here?
There was a card in the back of the phone or something for the, he might have put it in his, because it fell out on the floor. Those things are so hard to get off.
Yeah.
Why were you resisting us though?
Because y'all trying to arrest me. Pick up my phone first.
We got your phone.
You got it?
I don't have to know if my partner does.
Can you tell him to give it to me?
I'll get it for you. You'll be able to call your mom, right?
We think this is the same person stole multiple other times, done similar things.
Oh, wow.
The target chased them all the way out there and chased them to your
But
bus.
Target is not supposed to even chase him.
Yeah, I think they have different policy, like when they know he's already done this multiple times, and they actually visually saw him do
Okay.
it. So I think they went to stop him and he ran,
Yeah.
and that's why they told him that he's getting on the bus, and then we found obviously stopped you, and then that's how
Yeah.
this all played out.
Well, you know, you guys rolled up on me like I did something wrong. I'm like, oh my God, no.
Yeah. Well, we appreciate it. So
No
you're good to go
problem.
if you need to go.
All right, thank you.
We'll get you. These guys will get out of your way in a second too.
Okay, thank you
All right,
so much.
thank you.
He got his cuffs in the front?
Yeah, his cuffs are in front and he's got his hand in his pants. So what are you doing? He's like, I'm scratching my balls.
Please have my phone.
I'm
Everything's
telling
in
you,
it.
I got you.
So say they disrespect me.
Hey, I got you. I got your phone, man. You're good. I got your phone, bro.
Why'd you move the cuffs in front of you?
Put it in my bag.
I don't give a I don't care.
Put it in the bag.
I'm not getting you back out now, but if we get you to the station and you cause any more issues, it's done. It's a wrap. You already just fought with us.
I didn't fight y'all again. I was just trying to get it because I was
We
scared.
told you to put your hands behind your back.
I was scared for what though?
You're full of shit. You're full of shit.
You
You're full
matched
of
the
shit.
description of a retail.
You took off running from Target. We have witnesses saying you jumped on the bus. We have witnesses saying you jumped on the bus.
I didn't just come from Target.
All right, that's fine. We're waiting on him.
Who you waiting on? The video or something?
We already have video.
Is it me?
Yeah.
I know y'all lying.
Okay.
I know y'all lying.
All
I
right.
didn't just come from Target.
Okay.
I didn't just come from Target.
So why were you all sweaty when you were just sitting on the bus?
I wasn't sweaty. I was just hot. I'm glossing my faces.
It's very cool outside today.
Right, my
There's no
face is
reason.
greasy.
No, that was sweat.
Well, are you hot
Because
or is your face greasy?
Because your
I know
forehead isn't greasy anymore.
Right, because that was because of the altercation we just had on the bus.
All right, that's fine. Whatever.
I wasn't just sweating.
We already have video and we have a witness coming, so it's done, dude. It's done. It is what it is.
All right, say if this dude is what y'all expect, what's gonna happen?
You get charged with a retail, and now resisting because you fought us.
I didn't fight y'all. Sir, I wasn't fighting
Then what do you
y'all.
think that was?
I was just trying to get up.
You were trying to escape.
Yeah,
You're trying to escape. That's
Y'all said I was
resisting.
fighting dude.
Okay, well, escape then. You were trying to escape, which is resisting. So that's the charge.
So whatever resisting the rest get me in the county.
Maybe. If you literally stayed there and we got the belongings back, and it's like, even if it's like a couple $100,
They probably would have just let you go. but
right?
since you
They
ran,
probably would have let you
it's
go, or maybe even got a ticket, and that'd be it. Yeah, I got his phone.
Man, the youth is out of control, man, and you doing all of this for a PlayStation headset and what's that? Another PlayStation little piece. Ain't even the game system. You taking a little. Come on, man. Really? You risking your freedom and record for this? For a headset? Huh? Where they do that at?
Bars and stuff in there too.
In there?
No, I got it in my pocket now.
Oh, you grabbed him?
Yeah.
Is that all he took? Was those two?
Yeah, just these two.
Am I being charged?
You're going to be, yeah.
So I'm going to the county?
Possibly. I don't know yet.
For what though?
For theft.
They had the picture where he got popped in Chicago. They thought it was him.
Yeah.
Just all they had was a name and
Oh,
a
name they gave.
name and
Straight, yeah, that's what
an RD number. So he probably gave Chicago a crap name. They probably wrote a Manello. That's what I'm thinking anyway.
It's not really him because he's really worried about going to county right now.
Yeah. So
I mean, he's already going to county.
yeah.
He's got bars on too.
Oh, cool.
He's already going.
Yeah.
So it don't
It's,
matter.
When I get out, can I just get my phone?
We'll give you a phone call. You're not going to get your phone.
I said when I get out, like when I go home.
You ain't going home, my man.
I'm saying like
You're
I'm
going to county, so.
I'm going to the county.
Oh, yeah. What's up? For the retail theft, my man.
What's up? Yeah, I got
Bro, I told you we got your phone, bro.
I don't know why you're that worried about this.
Uptight with this phone. Alright, come on.
So did they say they get the stuff they claim that I took?
Did they get the stuff we go with?
They stuff that they claim I took.
You saying that they get it back?
The stuff they claim I took, did they get retrieve their property?
I don't understand.
Yeah, we gave the shit back to Target.
Everything's back to Target.
Well, that doesn't mean that you ain't getting off the hook, you know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm saying. I didn't do anything though, sir. I was coming from
Well, you
Chicago.
can say whatever. Alright, turn around for me. I'm gonna search you again, alright?
You just messed up my knees, sir.
Turn around.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm making sure you got nothing in there. You're wearing your shit all during that
Oh,
ride.
got you, my
Alright,
balls.
take your shoes off for me, man.
Can I just at least see to confirm?
There ain't nothing to confirm.
Like, this is my phone, sir. Please.
Nope.
Cause I don't.
Hey,
Cause I
sit down. Sit down.
I know my phone.
It is in here. You're not getting it.
I just wanted to see it, sir.
What do you need to see it for?
That's all I need to see.
Nope.
So why you didn't put it back?
No, because you just tried to grab your
I
shit.
just wanted to see it, sir.
It's here. I have it.
Can I get that something?
This is your phone. Is it not? Alright.
Have a drink of water.
I'll get your cup.
He doing too much.
I'll get you a cup of water.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.